Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. Want to make your TikTok profile look clean, professional, or more you? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to edit your TikTok profile step by step. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the TikTok app on your device. Once the app opens, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now, tap on the button that says Edit. Here, you'll see all the details you can change, such as your name, username, bio, and profile link. You can tap on any of these options to update them. You can also change your profile picture by tapping on the photo area and selecting a new image from your device. After making all your changes, just go back. TikTok saves everything automatically. If you want to adjust more settings like privacy, security, balance, or other account options, tap on the three lines at the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. From there, you can customize everything you need, and that's it. That's how you edit your TikTok profile in a few simple steps. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.